I also want to show you how you can solve most common issues, which always happens when you try to load and use local models with Copilot. The first one is you have your request failed because a reason is no lowest priority not found. To fix this issue, you need to close this chat, configure your tools, and turn off tools that you don't need to use. For example, I did not need agentic use or browser use for my Copilot agent, so I turned them off, so I won't overload small context of this model. Next thing you need to do is to, in your model provider drop-down, choose Manage Language Models, and right here you will need to click and remove OpenAI compatible or whatever versions and providers you have here, delete them if you have this issue, and create everything from zero, everything with default settings. Now, when you have created this new configuration, switch to LM Studio, configure your model to use not all of your VRAM of GPU, and try to keep it as small as possible with reasonable context. Copy all parameters in your Visual Studio Code. So after you have copied and configured your model with new configuration, power up new chat session and choose your added model from dropdown. After this, you can write any prompt to test and switch back to LM Studio. Right here we can see that we started processing our prompt, and now it's actually doing the work. Because when you have issue reason that no lowest priority not found, it's probably because your model is also going into the loop and generating large amount of tokens to nowhere. So the best solution would be to start everything fresh. Reload both Copilot, LM Studio, your models and configuration. And now we are able to use our large language model with GitHub Copilot. As we can see, it started processing our code and even suggests to install some packages. Right here it works perfectly fine, and if you want to use tools, you could increase your context window and use more of your VRAM.